All right, we got the Rain-X Latitude Water Repellency 2-in-1, clears and repels 14-inch wiper blade for my Scion, which happens to have a J-type connector. It's a small 9x3 J connector. Look familiar? Your car probably has this too. There's 4 other ways you can connect this wiper blade. This is the one that I know. So I've already got this little bit of plastic unlocked, but I wanted to show you because it comes like this, and it's in there pretty tight, and it actually suggests using a coin to release this front part of the wiper blade to I'm going to use a coin, kind of get it under here, right, and just kind of move forward and twist at the same time without breaking this plastic. See this little bit of plastic? When I opened that I thought, oh man, I did it now. But no, that plastic goes in here and will actually secure the wiper blade. So that's how you get this little bit open. It requires a little bit of force and you don't want to break it. So I did it indoors before I go outside to show you how to do this wiper blade attachment, because controlled environment, if I needed tools, they're here. Alright, so now we're going to put it on the car.